Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm diving into ProtonVPN and giving you the ultimate review. If you're looking for a secure, fast, and reliable VPN, you're in the right place. Remember, the link to ProtonVPN is in the description below. Okay, let's start with security. ProtonVPN is developed by the team behind ProtonMail, a service known for its high security. They use AES 256 encryption, which is top-notch, and they have a strict no-logs policy. This means your data and browsing history are kept private. Plus, ProtonVPN is based in Switzerland, which has strong privacy laws. So you can browse with peace of mind. Now, on to speed. ProtonVPN offers high-speed connections with unlimited bandwidth. In my tests, I noticed minimal speed drops even during peak times. This makes it great for streaming, gaming, or just general browsing. Whether you're watching Netflix or playing online games, ProtonVPN keeps things running smoothly. Next up, ease of use. ProtonVPN has a clean and intuitive interface. It's easy to set up and connect to servers. There are apps for all major platforms: Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and even Linux. And it allows for up to 10 simultaneous connections, which is more than generous. Let's talk about pricing. ProtonVPN offers a free tier, which is great for basic use. But if you need more features and better performance, their paid plans are reasonably priced. You get what you pay for in terms of security and speed. Finally, customer support. ProtonVPN provides 24/7 customer support via email and a comprehensive knowledge base on their website. They're responsive and helpful, which is always a plus. So, to wrap up, ProtonVPN is a solid choice if you're in the market for a VPN. It offers top-tier security, impressive speeds, and user-friendly apps. Check out the link in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.